Hello YouTube, Mr. Beam is here with another video. In this video I'm going to just create these circle symbols to show the precast walls. So as you can see, this typical details all is about precast details. So it's casting plates, it's connections, so we have casting precast vertical wall joints, and we showing the old precast like with the big circle. So this precast, if I type DI, that one is 200, and these circles also have the radius of 100. But as you noticed, these are just individual circles, so why not having a family for it? So in this case we are going to create a repeating component. So let's do it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to the file menu, let's go to the new, let's go to family, and under the English folder let's look for the detail item and open it. This one is very simple, family, so let's just underline, create a circle, and just click somewhere. Okay, so the thing is, we need the type DI, we need the diameter. Okay, hitting escape, select that diameter, and create the parameter as, let's say, type, and the type we can call it as D for diameter. So for now let's go to have this diameter as 180 and hitting the apply, and you can call it 180, and creating a new type for 200, change this one to 200, hit apply, create another one for 250, change this diameter to 250, and create another one for 300, change this one to 300 and hit it apply. So whenever I'm changing these types, it will just change its diameter. Okay, so keep this one in your minds. So now let's save it. Let's save it as a precast circ, underline Mr. Beam, save it and save. Let's load it to the project, and let's go to this drafting view, go to the annotate, go to the repeating detail component. So go to the type, duplicate it, say that precast hatch 200 for now, and the detail item we are going to use, let's look for precast circular Mr. Beam 200, and we have it. So just let me Control C copy this one. So we have one of them which is 200, which is this, but there's a problem, the spacing. So I have to click on it, go to the edit type. Sorry, I'm clicking on the family, go to the edit type. So the spacing should be 200. Let's click on apply. Now that is correct, and it's a fixed distance, that is correct again. It also has a maximum spacing, which is a great tool. It's working like a array. So now let's duplicate it and have as 180, change that one to 180, also that one to 180. Let's click on OK. So we have a precast hash 200 and also that one. So what was the size of this precast? It was 200, so we are going to use the 200 version. So by typing CS for creating similar, I'm only going to just create it there. So hitting the AL, to be honest, well, there is no midline, but what we can do is just move it to the midline. MV, and click on that line and click on there, so it's done. So we have to also click on this one and just bring it to the front, and also we have to maybe just have one of them and doing something like this by nudging, or in case I can just do it like this to not to see the excess. So all done. So let's go to one of these details. Let's say, for example, this one. Type the I to see that what is the size of this precast is 150. So we don't have any 150 for that detail. So how should I do it? Good question. So now we have to go to the families at the end of the project browser. We have to look for detail items and look for precast master beam, precast hatch. It was precast hatch, is that correct? Carrier rat. Where is it? Or it was precast circle? Oh, this one, yes. So expand it. You can just right click on that one and go to the edit. So you will actually, by editing that one, opening the family. Go to the family types and create a new type, 150. That one to 150, hitting the OK, and just load it to the project and also save it. So now go to the annotate component, repeating detail component, and just duplicate that one, rename it, copy paste this name, cancel it, duplicate it, Control V for pasting, and you can type this one 150, click on OK. This also should be 150, the spacing, and the detail should be 150. Okay, great. So now we can have it here. So I'm going to just delete the individual ones, which is the line, only just lines. But now we have this one. So I can just move it to somewhere there, and it's all done. We can extend this break line, which I will also show you how to create that one later, and bring it to the front, and this is what we want. Just that section we just created, I will also put the link here. We have to bring it to the front. So all set. So now we have also this precast hatch as a family. This is the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching.